Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So recently I did a video on how to do a cache secure put on Webull, and it was for the desktop web version. And I know that not everyone has a desktop or a laptop nowadays, and someone asked to do a mobile version. So here I am. If you want to check out that desktop web version on how to do a cache secure put, the link is down below. And before you start doing options on Webull, of course, you need to have an account with Webull. And if you don't, maybe consider signing up with them and collecting that 2 free stocks that could be valued up to $1,850. And then, of course, you have to get approved for options trading to get started on selling a cache secure put. All video links are down below if you need help signing up or getting approved. So first things first, I'm assuming those who are watching understands the basics of options trading. If not, this will go over your head. When doing a cache secure put, we will have to have enough funds in our account to even do a trade like that. And doing something like this can cost you a couple thousands of dollars depending on the stock. And again, basically when you are doing a cache secure put, we are selling a put and collecting a premium up front. It's like saying that someone is giving you money and forcing you to buy 100 shares of a stock if that stock falls below a certain price target. But this won't matter if you're going to buy the stock anyway at that price range. And while you wait, you get paid. So it could be a win-win situation for you. And I only do this type of trade if I honestly like the stock and everything makes sense for me. So before I start, I want to get this out of the way. This is not financial advice, and please don't just follow what I trade without doing your own research. This demonstration will be a real example, so you know I'm actually putting my real money into it just so you can watch for your own enjoyment. And this could be done with any other stocks that allows options trading. So first things first, let's go ahead and collect our 2 free stocks if you sign up with Webull. So go to menu right over here and then click on my free stock. I'll bring you to another page where you could collect your 2 free stocks. So you have 2 free stocks, click get, and then one is ADT, and then another one's ATT. So a total about $16 of free stocks. So I'm gonna close that out, go back, and then click on the center icon, the Webull icon. It'll take me back to this screen. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and trade Palantir. So I'm gonna do a quick trade and then do Palantir's PLTR ticker symbol. So find the company that or the stock that you want to trade. So I'm gonna do Palantir, click on that. And so in this case, we're gonna do options trading because we're doing a cache secure put. Click on options right over here on the bottom right, and then I'll bring you up to this option chain. So this is currently viewing at 4 days for expiration. So we're gonna minimize this. Click on that arrow on the right side, and then you'll see a bunch of expiration days. So you got 4 days, 11 days, 17 days, 25 days, and so forth. So normally when I do cache secure put or cover calls, I usually go about like a month out. So in this case, a month out would be like the 32 days or so. So expiration will be on the 16th of April, 2021. So I'm gonna open that option chain by clicking on the right side of the arrow, and then I'll bring up all the options right over here currently. So because I'm doing a cache secure put, I'm gonna just be selling one. So currently the price is trading at $26.78 or so, around there, fluctuating right now. So I'm going to do $23, click on that, and I'm going to hit a sell. So right now, currently on buy, click sell right here on the bottom of the screen, and then I'll change it to sell. So because I'm doing this and I actually want to do a cache secure put on Palantir at $23, I'm okay buying it at $23 if it execute, because I'm really bullish of Palantir. But the thing is, like, I have to look at my cost basis of that of the stock that I currently have. So because it's a little bit above $23, so I'm okay getting it at $23. So I'm gonna do 2 contracts of that, and then hit edit. So it'll bring up like a confirmation page right over here. So I have the maximum profit is $212. Maximum loss is negative $4,388. The only thing with this is that the maximum loss occurs if Palantir decides to go bankrupt and go to zero. But I don't think that's going to happen in the near future, in a couple months or so. So I'm okay with that.
but this is just collecting premium on this hand. So if I scroll down, you'll see the strike price, expiration date, and so forth, limit, and you could set your limit price. So currently the mid is at $1.06. Convert that is like about $106 or so. So I'm going to scroll down to contract time and force is a day. So the estimated premium collected is going to be $212, and I'm going to hit sell. And then this is actually my order confirmation. And if I scroll down, or actually I don't have to scroll down, it says on the bottom, it says you're agreeing to buy 2 times 100 shares of Palantir at $23 per share on or before April 16, 2021. If you aren't asked to buy Palantir by then, you will keep your collateral and the full $212 of credit. So basically I'm going to get credit of $212 immediately. So if I hit confirm that, go ahead and execute that, and then my position is already, actually the open order is, there's nothing in there because it's executed, and there you go, it popped up. And if I were to go back, my cash position is $18,151. So it went up.
Now, if you were to take $1.06, which was the premium that I collected, or in this case, it's $106 because it's 100 shares, and divide that by the strike price of $23, or in this case, $2,300, then I'll get a 4.6% return on my investment in about a month. And again, this is just me, and I'm totally fine with a 4.6% return on my investment within a month. Now, some people can simply move the strike price closer to the current price, like for instance at a $25 strike price. And in this case, if you do $184 divided by $2,500, then you get about a 7.3% return on your money. That also means that the likelihood of you buying the stock is also high if you don't mind having more shares. I'm just comfortable having my strike price set a little bit lower because my cost basis for this stock is around $24, and I don't mind owning more shares of that company at a lower price. And everyone is different. It's not always about having high returns. Sometimes you can just have a different set of plans or goals than someone else. Well, there you have it. Hope this visual guide helped explain how to sell a cash secure put on the Webull app. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads, and I'll catch y'all later.